Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, well, I should say about a week ago, a little over a week ago, Puma sent these to me. And this isn't sponsored, this is gifted, but I love having the opportunity to be able to try out different shoes. Like, that is just super dope to me, just to even be recognized. But, you know, besides that, let's get into the facts of this shoe. I stated in the last video the most comfortable shoe of 2019, and that was just initially putting it on. A little bit more about the shoe. So this specific pair is the Drone Day. Retail on these is $120. And I think this is $120 well spent. I've been training in these the last week or so, whether it was running, jump roping, lifting, especially lifting, and just even wearing these to the basketball court. You know, it's just an extremely comfortable shoe. It is supported by Puma's Lqdcell. Now, this is their new technology, but it's basically, or actually their old technology, and it's phenomenal. You know, I love this shoe. Now, I highly recommend this if you are in the market for a training shoe. I even did legs in this. Now, I wasn't lifting extremely heavy or anything like that. You guys can see from some of the B-roll shots, but for the most part, it kept my ankle and everything very stable. Definitely absorbed a lot of shock when it came down to running. That's all I wanted to talk about. You know, I want these reviews to be simple and straight to the point. Is this shoe trash or is it worth copying? And you know, this is definitely a go. So there's about 4 different colorways. This being probably my favorite. And then the other one is actually called Origin AR, which you guys can check that out. That'll be on their site if you do want to pick these up. But I believe they're available in stores, so definitely go to the store and try it on. I would say go true to size. And overall, man, it's just such a comfortable shoe. Like, this is worth the value, especially when you're exercising. You want something that's going to take care of your foot and really just reflect to your knees, to your back. I think that's just super essential. One of the most underrated things that a lot of brands don't really pay attention to is the insole. Now, I don't want to take my insole all the way out because I don't want to mess it up, but you can see how thick that insole is and how cushiony it is, and that's huge, man. That is a big part of why this shoe is so comfortable. Immediately, as soon as you guys put them on, it's a go. So let me know if any of you have picked these up or tried them on. It's definitely a shoe worth investing in if you're looking for a new training shoe. And it's just that cool, like, 90s look, you know? Like, I don't know, I like it. So there you have it, man. Simple performance review. These get the thumbs up, man. Definitely approved. So comfortable, super breathable, cushion insane. For $120, you're gonna love it. You guys can let me know what you think down below in the comments. God dang it, see? Messed up my insole. Bruh. No, I shouldn't have took it out. I hate playing with insoles. But let me know what you guys' favorite colorway is. There you have it. This is your boy, ASneakerLife. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.